Yeah, man, just hang on. This thing's on. I think we're ready to go. Everything looks good. Everything feels good. Yeah, oh, wait. Let's do this. Bang. Okay. Dude, what is going on, guys? What is going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. How's everyone's day going? My day is going great. I did some adulting. That was fun. Rhodes, how you doing, my friend? You guys know we had a massive internet upgrade here, multiplying our download speed by 10 and our upload speed by 10. Yeah, it's huge. And it's solid. It's solid. So I'm sorry for all the years of every once in a while having internet problems, but I think those are behind us. And I had to cancel my old internet, which I didn't cancel it at first. I thought, don't cancel the old internet in case you got to test the new one. But how long's it been now? 3 weeks, a month, 3 weeks? It's perfect. So I canceled my old internet 5 days before I was going to get billed again. Woo! That would have sucked. Kev Dog, how you doing, dude? Welcome to the stream, man. Today is... Ooh, I got to put my little pinned comment, guys. The pinned comment, it goes like this. Challenge Rosewood Kelly 3-0 rated 3-0 unrated on chess.com with a space between the dot. There we go. Copy. So I can paste it across all platforms, folks. There we go. So yeah, man, I'm really proud of myself for hitting that before it hit me. You know what I'm saying? You got to cancel stuff. I also then went and looked at my Restream account. I got okay. Now we're just gonna get boring. I did adulting today. I did stream stuff today. Ooh, followers on Twitch. Followers on Twitch got a more exciting alert because the follow. Okay, check it out. Here's the follow on YouTube. It's a subscribe, but it's free. That's a follow, right, on YouTube. Just listen what YouTube gets. That's pretty freaking serious, right? Okay, I changed the follow on Twitch because it was just like, it was like, I heard it, I knew what it was. So I gave Twitch something a little more exciting, a little more happy. You've probably heard it before. It goes like this. That's a happy sound. It's an old traditional alert. I freaking love it. Bill Stevens, how you doing, man? What the heck is going on out there, bro? That was loud. I live in a quiet place, guys. Hey, thank you guys for the likes, man. You guys are coming in heavy, guys. It's early stream hype. We have to remember the early stream hype. Center, how you doing? Bill Stevens, what's up, dude? Dude, I literally have a gig tomorrow night, and I've been playing some guitar, but not as much as I want to. So, as much as I want to play Elden Ring tonight, I think I may just do a guitar stream. I might just play guitar tonight. I really might. I might. Maybe I could do both. Thing is with both, man, it's so much work to set up everything. But I need to do. I need to get a little bit more guitar time in. I think before tomorrow. And it's not about like learning and getting better at guitar. You can't get better in one day. That's not what it's about. I already play at a certain level, but if I don't play a lot, then that level drops a little bit, is all. It's like being in shape. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And so I'm definitely probably going to play some guitar I don't know if I'm going to do it on stream tonight, but I really might. Haven't done that in forever. Rosewood Telly. Yesterday was our tournament day. I got third place. I was so close. Look at me live on Twitch, folks. I'm famous. I'm famous. I'm live on Twitch. I mean, on chess.com. On chess.com. First game from yesterday's tournament. I don't have any challenges yet, but I will play you guys. We're playing 3-minute unrated. This is my game against Hero Pass. He is one of us. He is a great up-and-comer. One thing noticeable about Hero Pass, he is listening in the workshops. Ian is listening. Glad to catch a stream, says Dusty. YouTube actually notified me this time around. Good. Good. If, wait, that car sound came out my speakers. I thought that was IRL for me. Yeah, it sounded like someone was dragging like some tin siding. We got a challenge, guys. We got a challenge. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah, the live alert chant. I feel like it got deleted from here. It did. So, close that. KevDog wants to play. KevDog gets a game. KevDog, we're in, brother. Play well. Enjoy yourself. E4, we play E5. KevDog is a great supporter of the stream. He's a relatively newer guy. And he subscribes on Twitch. He's been gifting subs on Twitch. And he shows up. And he has a good attitude. And he likes chess. What else do you want in your life? You know what I mean? Branson, how you doing, brother? Yeah, Truth and KevDog are holding down Twitch today. Okay, I must play this move to stop the check. You got to know your ideas behind your openings, guys. Then any move order, you still have ideas of what to be aware of. Yeah. I'm going to hit this first so the knight cannot come here. And then we get D5 for free. It's a Manunu, guys. Bill Stevens says, always nice when you sit down to practice to not have anything else going on, any time constraints, so you can hit it until you get tired. Yeah, and you would know that, Bill Stevens. I would be a much better musician if I actually practiced. Like, I wouldn't even look at it as practicing. I would look at it more as warming up. You know, I'll tell you one thing about playing guitar, though, that I love. Well, I love a lot of things about playing guitar. But do I come here because it's better? No, I come here. I'll tell you, Bill Stevens, one of my favorite things when playing guitar about music is if I record a song and I want to put a guitar solo instrumental on it. Do I just castle? I'm going to. Just castle. You know why? Because you have to. I love, like, recording a song, and then I'm going to go put the lead guitar on it. Oh, Branson, think of the 200 stars. Stars hype in the chat for Branson, folks, on Facebook, man. The stars hype has been acknowledged. Good move, dude. That's a good move. It's a good move. I'm going to go ahead and take this pawn while I can, while developing my final piece. So, I record a song. Guys, you know, bass, drums, rhythm guitars, sing on it. Go to put leads on it. I love writing solos because I think of something I want to do and then I start doing it, and I usually go out of my box and do something, and I get creative, and I'm literally playing. I'm playing. It's like you can manually work a guitar and make music come out. But playing like you're a kid in a sandbox, that's why we start playing music. And that I love composing solos. Now, don't get me wrong. I love ad-libbing solos. There's nothing more fun than, yeah, maybe I should have come here, but there was a reason why. I don't remember. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of spatula for the kids. Okay. The queen has to go somewhere safe and good, but I feel like nothing is made of wood. My bishop sucks. His bishop's good. I'm going to challenge it. Best move? I don't know, but there's an idea behind it. Bill Stevens says, David Gilmour, he's the king of writing solos. One of my faves. Yeah, exactly. That was a great move, but except for this happens. Yeah, dude. You were playing so good, man. And you know what? It's just tactics, dude. You're rated 300. You're doing great. You are going to be so good at chess. You played... Look at it. Look at his pieces. Look at his pieces. He's castled. All his pieces are developed. But you say, wow, he's playing way better than 300. But then he plays 300 tactics. He makes a mistake. Dude, that's okay. There's nothing to be ashamed of. You just made a mistake. Yep. And then do I take... I think I take this one because this one is still under attack. The knight comes back. I'm up a piece. I'm going to come back and defend my pawn stir. Because I can stir. He's attacking my pawn, but... And he's solo on time. It's a 3-minute game. This is what happens. It's alright, dude. You played a good game, Kevin. Wait, it's Kevin, right? Yeah, Kev Dog. Do I come... Oh, I gotta move. I'm gonna lose on time, guys. Good game, dude. Good game. Okay, now... Wait, what do we have? We have a friend? A friend request? Okay. Savvy Geo. I'm accepting your friend request. But... when we become friends on chess.com, that means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. Accepted. You are now my friend on chess.com. And you're going to play me too. Love it, Savvy Geo. Let's go. Good luck, my friend. My newest friend on chess.com, Savvy Geo. Justin Stevens, take your bishop, hit that one in the middle. Chess is boring. Mezzy Ozone. You know... What do you like that's more exciting than chess? If chess is boring, what is not boring? Playing guitar brings all the squirrels to the nest. That's a move. This, I think, is definitely worth going for. I never looked at his rating, guys. Now I just looked. Savvy is rated 300. Chess.com rating Pointillones. Pointillones, guys. Not to be confused with pantalones, guys. It's Spanish. You guys don't know. What's he doing to me? I can't even defend it. He gets a... He doesn't even... No, he... Oh, he... Oh, okay. Okay, he took that pawn. That's a pretty big pawn, too, though. It's an E pawn. Yeah, I thought he was going to take this pawn. That's why I had to get the knight out, so I don't lose. Try not to lose, guys. Takes the Amigo's bishop. Looking, looking, looking. These pawns, I think, are mine anyway. I think I probably should have done other things first, but the way I'm just getting them, I think it's okay. Yeah, dude, you did good, man. You played a good game, dude. It's so hard to play 3-minute. Ian Matza, dude, I was just talking. I was singing your praises. Did you hear? You don't go to the crossroads and not listen to the blues. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay. Elden Ring. Yeah. Elden Ring is definitely... It can be very exciting. You're right. I think if chess is boring for you, then it's just not your jam, bro. Everything is not for everybody. We all know this. And you know what I'm gonna do, right? Can he checkmate me with 2 pawns, guys? Is it even possible? His king can't come in. That's the problem. Because my rook keeps him away from my queening pawn, as well as does Stockfish queen here? I think I just take, right? Just take. We don't give 3 pawns here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, and then we just... Good game, dude. You didn't feel if chess made me smart. Chess doesn't make you smart. People think it makes you smart. I mean, there are benefits and drawbacks to everything, right? Playing Monopoly doesn't make you smart, but thinking about strategy exercises your brain, right? That's a good thing. Chess is not going to make you smart. I think that you might have lofty. Oh, we got another friend. There's no way. Bunny Papa 21. I love your name, Bunny Papa 21. It's fun to say Bunny Papa 21. Bunny Papa 21. We are now friends on Facebook. We must take care of each other and help each other get better at chess. Now I'm gonna look at my first game from the tournament yesterday. And this is my game against Hero Pass, Ian Matza. He is a great supporter of the stream. I hope one day to meet him in real life. He's my hype man. He's the one for like 4 years. How long you been around, Ian Matza? You got a followage. He's been coming around forever. And the first thing he says is, let's go. I love the energy. Do I turn on the Botez sisters? A nice tactical shot, sniping that piece like a pro. Let's see if which sister do you think is going to say it?
Nice tactical shot, sniping that piece like a pro.
That was Alexandra. 917 days. Did you get reset? Well, that is like 2.5 years or something, right? Dude, I feel like you've been around way longer. Looking at your face, brother. Looking at your face, dude. Fine young man. Ian Matza is a fine young man. I say young. He's not a kid, guys. He's not a kid. He's a grown man. He's a grown man. Brandon Prosser, thank you for the follow, man. You love to see the community growing. Community is growing like weeds, guys. What we need is, we have 468 on followers on Twitch. If you don't follow on Twitch, hit the follow button. I stream chess 4 times a week and gaming at night. Been doing this for 5 years. I'm a pro. I'll be here tomorrow. Or not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I might take tomorrow off. I've been doing a lot of bonus streams. But when Twitch gets to 500, we're going to give Twitch a Twitch exclusive stream. What I think I may do, though, is Twitch is exclusive. But Facebook supporters and YouTube members can watch it. I think I'm going to start doing that for all my celebration streams. All my celebration streams. When we hit a big milestone, like we hit 2,000 subs on YouTube. It was huge. Really big day. We're almost at 2,100 already. That was like 4 days ago. Guys, YouTube is growing. Be part of it. Join the wave. Be part of the crowd. Follow the crowd. The crowd's following me on YouTube. Follow the crowd. Like your parents told you not to do. And we did like an 8.5 hour celebration stream, YouTube exclusive. And I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? I should have done that for Twitch subscribers and Facebook supporters. Private to them. public on YouTube. That's how all the celebration streams are going to go from here. We are going to look at a couple of stats, folks, at this game. Everyone loves math. It is the best part of... How come my vertical review? Why is there no board here? Huh. Okay. No big deal. There we go! You have a long name. I don't know what I'm doing anymore has followed. You know what you're doing. You're following. Okay, let me come here and see which board this is. Window capture 10, I believe. It is. Good. So, vertical sources, window capture 10 is probably muted. That's not it. That's not it. Not it. That's not it. Huh. Window capture. Guys, I'm fixing something for the, well, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now I just got to crop it for him. Guys, everybody gets a good experience here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Oh, womp womp, guys. Guys, I don't know if you guys have ever heard me talk about the upholstery shop before. I mean, at one point I owned 2 upholstery shops at the same time. What? But when I moved to Texas, I walked into a local upholstery shop and said, hey, I do upholstery. I want some work. He didn't have anything for me. He's like, yeah, I got a couple guys. I don't, yeah. I don't know. A month or 2 later, I walk in there. Hey, man, you got any work? Now, I'm working 40 hours already at the machine shop, but I wanted more work because I got 3 kids. So finally, the guy says, yeah, I got a job for you. He gives me a job. And then I just worked there off and on for 10 years. And he was a really good friend. I made a lot of money with him. And I even had side jobs where I would sell a job like this big silk fabric tufted headboard with like 140 freaking buttons. I had to make the buttons and then tuft the silk. It was very rich, guys. It was very exclusive, very high dollar for some very, very important clients who shall remain anonymous. And I could have done it right here in my room, and it would have sucked. I said, hey, I got this headboard I'm doing, man. You mind if I do it? He goes, yeah, bring it in. It's his shop, his rent, his lights, his table space. He didn't charge me a penny. He didn't charge me a penny to use his shop to do my side job. That's a friend, right? His name was Mike, and he passed away. I just found out today he passed away. Definitely older than me. I don't know exactly how old. Maybe 20 years, 18 years, 20 years older than me. So yeah. Not to bring it down, because I got a smile for the guy because I'm just thinking about great memories with the guy. He's the guy that said, Charlie, they were talking about upholstery, about knowing everything how to do upholstery. And he said, Charlie, you don't know everything, do you? I said, no, but I'm a threat too. Like my attitude, guys? Be humble, but keep your freaking ego a little bit, guys. It's okay. It's okay to have a little bit of ego, guys. How come these sports tests? Well, now I'm just going way too far into it, but they're supposed to work. Yeah, they don't. It's fine with me. Ian Matza played 72.8% accuracy. I played 83%. Oh, we go here. We go here. Oh, is that why it's not doing it? Right here. Am I already there? I'm already there. Okay. I can move my mug. My mug, I said. Here we go. That's a big mug. 72% by him, 83% by me. Not my best game. Neither of us had a brilliant move. I had 1 blue move. He played 7 book moves. I played 6. Ian Matza, I'm telling you. Oh, yeah, so I was saying this at the beginning of the stream. This is my love letter to Ian Matza. He is learning from the chess workshops and from myself and from other content. Wherever he's getting it, he's paying attention. He's developing his pieces effectively. He's castling. He's claiming his fair share of the center. He's finding a safe place for his queen. He's connecting his rooks. He's developing his rooks. Way above his rating. Then, when we get in the middle game and the end game, his rating shows. He's rated 844. He's an up-and-comer. You're working, dude. You're working.
Okay, solid choice. Our opponent's fighting center.
Is that going to drive you guys nuts? Because I'll tell you this. It's probably going to drive me nuts. Do you guys playing guitar? Oh, yeah, got that. Playing guitar brings all the squirrels together. Wait. Desi says, let me know if you ever need your trees cut. You're an arborist, and I'd ever ask in return is to hang out and have coffee over the chessboard or something. Desti, you are so kind. You are so kind. Are you in Texas? Whiskey with Water says, you ever go mirror mode with somebody on purpose? Just copy their moves until they catch on. That can be a move. That can be an idea. Let's see if, okay, so yeah, I'm not, guys, I'm shutting them off. We're going to come here and come to the opening book. D4, knight f6, c4, g6, knight f3, bishop g7, knight c3, castles. We are in opening book grandmaster territory because he's developing pieces. He plays bishop g5 as Daniel Dubov, Mamedyarov. Pretty much Mamedyarov plays this move a lot. Magnus Carlsen played this move. David Navarro played this move. Smyslov played this move. He's against Tall. It's a good move. I played d6. Is it the most common move here? d6? Yes, we're playing like grandmasters. Magnus Carlsen versus Anish Giri. e3. c5. Who played c5? Tall played c5. Sam Shanklin played c5 here. Yeah. Bishop e2. It is the most common move. Dude, you're a freaking psycho beast. Sokolov played this move. Bishop e2. Smyslov played this move. Dude, like, you have no idea how good you're playing to be this far in the game. To be this far in the game and you're still playing like freaking world champions or world beaters. Okay. H6 is the most common move. Knight c6 is next. cd4 is next. Bishop f5 is more common than knight bd7, which I played. I played knight bd7. And then now I'm the one that took us out of the Grandmaster games. Ian. Bill Stevens says, is that the Jobava London when you play bishop pinning the knight? No. No, the Jobava London, I believe, is... The London is always bishop f4. This, with a certain move order, is a London. And it doesn't include the move c4. Sometimes the pawn comes to c3 in a London. And I think the Jobava London, I don't know, but I think, we can check it. The Jobava London is when the knight just comes to c3 and the pawn's still back here. But the Jobava London is a little bit different. I'll show you and we'll see if we can find it. I played knight bd7. Let me find a, the ratings dropped way down. There's no world champions. We're nowhere near a tall game. Now we're slumming with the 2400s and the 2500s because I played this horrible move. You, I would say, beat me in the opening boss challenge where you played grandmaster moves. One move longer than I did. Castles, now we can get to regular Stockfish analyses, folks. That was okay. It wanted h6. Man, what am I going to do with h6? He's just going to come back. Takes. That was good. h6. I got to play h6, guys. Just play h6. That was good. Knight e5 was better. Ooh, knight e5. Because f4 is bad. Then I could come here hitting stuff. If he kicks me, we'll just come back. 95. F4 is not even on the list because it's just a bad move. Oh, but if he does that, I just come back. And he just kind of played it. An overextending kind of a not optimal move. I played knight c5. b4 is good, but I did this kind of baiting you, Ian. Chess with viewers, can I get in? Goalie, 1000%. It's 3-minute unrated. Desi says I work in California, but a vacation is always enjoyable. I have a lot of buddies out there I've been meaning to drop in on too. Chess Run, Lost Boys Music, how you doing, man? Yeah, today is I'm playing viewers, but right now I'm looking at my first tournament game from yesterday, and then I will be back on the viewer train. Knight e5 is one of my favorite moves. Yeah, I don't actually have any trees I need done, but somebody very close to me, my girlfriend, she just had all hers done, but she has a place where sometimes that could be a thing. But right now I think we're under control, but thank you for the offer, man. So I played knight e6. It was the best move, by the way. Takes. I just had a challenge. Let me get through this game first. That's a good move because he's threatening to mess stuff up looking at my queen. So what do? Get my queen the heck out of there. Brings a rook. That wasn't best. It wanted bishop f6. Why? I don't know. But I love the way you brought a rook. I win a pawn. That wasn't best. b5 is best. Oh, it's because of the pressure on this. b5. And I'm going to win the pawn. If you come, I win a pawn this way. And again, the pin. If you take, I play a rook over. And there's pressure. See the pressure? Yeah. So, I took. Takes. I see the pressure. You might have seen the pressure too. I come back, but now there's going to be a discovery on the rook. I attacked the knight, and he lost the knight. Yeah. I don't know why it gives me a blue move for that, Ian. It's a free piece. You made a mistake. Yeah, you kind of have to defend, and then what do I do? Like, h6 first. Takes on the rook and the knight. Rook d3, defending. Our great world champion. And then we just start piling up on the knight. And I think we're winning. I think I'm winning a piece. So, but you just gave it to me. Here we go. And then back rank mate. Oh, it's not back rank mate. Check. Yes, this move. And I'm trading this pawn for better pawns because that pawn's doubled. We traded down. Now I am up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm up 2 pawns, and he has worse structure, but he has an active rook. Oh, and I'm up a piece. Yeah, so from here it should be pretty elementary. Just start shoving the pawns. I think I made an inaccuracy here. I'm going to show you. There's no way! Xbox. What's his name? Did you guys hear that noise? Xbox ID Kuhi. Cool. Xbox, thank you for the follow on Twitch. We got the happy noise on Twitch, guys. It's gonna grow the chess community on Twitch. 470 subs, guys. I mean, followers. 470. Savvy, I already play you. I only play each person 1 time per day. But when we hit 500 followers on Twitch, we're gonna do a Twitch exclusive stream. Although subs, the paying subs, members from YouTube and supporters on Facebook will be able to watch and take part, but it will be only on Twitch for everybody. Here I think I'm supposed to push. Or King F4. Again. That's dumb. I don't need this pawn, guy. Just D3. Just go. I finally found it. Savvy Jew, if you're watching, you need to listen. I love you, but I'll tell you this. If you keep spamming it, Might get nervous. And that was checked. Yeah, I saw the check. These are like 2 pawns or 2 bishops. The thing is, they cover all squares. Dude, good game hero pass. Okay. Oh, I have one challenge from Savvy Geo, but I'm not gonna play him again. X that. There we go. Do you think you would be able to play StreamRock live? You know what? Just literally thought about that the other day. About it won't be hard for me to learn this solo because I played it. Xbox says, MB, call me. I don't know if you would like. I'm probably going to call you Xbox because I'm going to read your name. If that's okay. So yeah, no, of course I could play it live. I did play it live. Like, I didn't write that guitar solo. Hey man, I challenge you. Please do. I'm waiting for a challenge. It's in the pinned comment. It's in the pinned comment. Rosewood Telly, one word. Send it. Here he is. 3-minute unrated. This guy, I'll tell you, he's rated 191. But he knows how to challenge me. 3-minute unrated. Good job, dude. Man, he's quick. He's going to try and beat me on time. Okay, this is a London. And this is probably a Jobava London. This says East Indian Game London System. Okay. Make a castle. Okay. I'm going to play this move because it's a maneuver. He moves real fast, guys. He's going to beat me on time. And I should be up a piece. Yes. I was winning a piece anyway. Not gonna lie. I was winning a piece anyway. I think I can do this. As weird as it looks. Because if he plays F4 hitting my rook, I could play bishop takes hitting the queen. That's probably not an altogether bad move. Guess we come here. He plays quick, guys. For a 191, dude, your play really good. Are you a little bit underrated? Xbox. Wait, what do you do? He brings the Amigos Knight, but I think I can just take this for free, right? Yeah, you got to start counting attackers and defenders because now I'm up 2 pieces. It's okay though. But yeah. Your rating's gonna go way up. Do you know how your rating's gonna go way up? Uh-oh. Oh, I can take this. I didn't see it. My bishop's hanging, but I'm attacking his queen stir. So I think we're okay. We should be okay. Yeah. You're doing great, man. Yeah, so it would be kind of fun to learn StreamRock exactly how I played it. I have the computer I recorded all that music on in my storage, and it would be kind of fun to pull it out and pull the tracks out. I thought about doing that. Bill Stevens, all together, bad move. I thought about doing this, Bill Stevens. I don't know if you'd be interested. Is this mating? It's winning the queen, I think. Oh no, he could play rook here, I guess. But then this is mate. I thought about pulling up the tracks, the original tracks for all this music, minus the guitar, or even with the guitar, and send it to Bill Stevens and let him put some piano on it, some keyboards, some professional keyboards, guys. Good game, dude. Good game. Okay, I don't see any challenges. We're gonna look at my second game from the tournament. Game history. It actually has a thing to click on. And this is my game against Disguised Teriyaki, guys. Disguised Teriyaki is usually 2,200. I think I've seen him 2,300. He is 2,400 now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he played good, huh? Rated 190 something? Insane. I can't believe you're not rated higher. But you have to understand, your lesson is pieces matter very, 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 very much. I don't think you've been playing long enough to realize, oh, I can't move my knight here because he's just going to take it for free. You know what I'm saying? Once you get over that and you stop giving pieces away, and we're playing 3-minute. I will not play 3-2. I hate 3-2, and I'm going to tell you why I hate 3-2. I like my blitz pure. If I'm playing blitz chess, the clock needs to be involved, and when you add increment to fast chess, to me, it's like, I don't like it. I don't like it. I knew you would be, Beal Stevens. Yeah, I could run over there, get the old computer, plug her in, and drag the files off, you know. This is yesterday's game. Thacker, this is my game from yesterday against Disguised Teriyaki, rated 2,400. He played like... I played 69.3% accuracy. He played 80% accuracy. He had one brilliant move and one great move. I had none. He played like a 20-50. I played like a 15-50. Let's see what the Botez sisters are going to say. Dude, she sounds mad, bro. That was Andrea, huh? That was Andrea. Ah! Okay, shut it off. Get to the opening book. Okay. That was good. It wants me to just take the pawn. Here's the problem. This is exactly what he wants. He sacks a pawn. He has easy development. And he's going to crush me. Even if he doesn't sack a pawn, he's going to have easy development. And he's probably going to crush me. That's okay, though. I'm not scared. You're a 10-minute player. You're 400 for a while. You're not a fast player. I get it, Xbox. And I'm sorry, but on the Play Viewers Day, it's just kind of what it is. I got to play 3-minute unrated. That's why you play unrated too, though. And no, what do you call it? No increment. It's to keep the games moving. Okay. I know he can win this pawn back. I'm not going to defend it to the death. I'm just defending it to be annoying. Okay, D3. D3. Knight. Oh my god, I have knight E4. Defending. I didn't see this move. Oh my god. I would have played D3, but I didn't have time for it. But I did have time for it. Bishop E7. Knight F3. White is just fine. But I played this weird move because I know if I come here, he's going to do this, and then my knight has to move. Another great idea is to play D4. I kind of looked at this. Takes. Queen E2 check. Queen E7, rip that. I would rip that 1000%. King takes E7, and then Rook G1. And he probably could do something like this. Defending the pawn. That's what I like that move because it's just so annoying. Look, my rook can't even move now, right? And I'm still better though. This move was just a bad move. I thought I had to. And you want to play F3 so bad, but no. That was no good. Oh, it wants H3. Don't suffer this pin forever. H3, bishop H5. D3, castles, or G4. The thing about G4 is you say, yeah, weakens your king side. Yeah, but I'm probably then, I may not even castle king side anymore. Yeah, okay. D3, I finally played D3. Brian Lianza, I'm taking this challenge now. 3-minute unrated. Dude, Brian, your profile pic on chess.com is absolutely amazing. Yeah, dude. Great picture, brother. Let's go. E4, E5, 1700. This is when I asked for queen side Indian castle. Hey, Ruchi. What do you do? He plays, right? We take. Attack king, right? I think we develop ping. Develop ping, guys. I gotta move fast, guys. I gotta move fast. He's 1700. This guy's not gonna lay down. This guy came to beat me, guys. Block king. Yeah, man. Develop ping. Threaten nothing. Just cast. Oopsie. F3 takes, and then like what? Gave him an open file for his rooks toward my king. I'm gonna put this here. Right. And then we have to get this knight out. He can't really develop. Oh, he can. He actually can develop. Brings the rook. Oh, I didn't see it, guys. Just get the queen out of the malarkey, guys. And start looking at pawnsters. Okay. Yeah. Develop ping. Develop ping my pieces, guys. 3 words. Spell it however you want. On the pin messages, hello, Charlie. The pin message, how is that? How did that happen? Thank you. Okay, we must improve our bishop. Or at least not lose it. Good square. Good square. He wants to push. Putting pressure, guys. Mucho pressure. I think I blew it, guys. I think I blew it because of this square. All right. I mean, I don't know what else to do. And does he have a check to win the night? He does, and I resign. Check. Take it. Check me and take the night. It's free. He doesn't want it, guys. Guys, he's playing with this food. Oh, he's coming at it this way. Yeah, but I get this. I guess back here. Getting rid of the bishop, guys. The bishop is a bad, bad person. That bishop, nate. My knight's really good, but I think we're going to take the bishop. And then I'm going to win a pawn and more pawns, right? The problem is, if I win the pawn and trade the rook is bad. So I'm going to win the pawn by with the bishop. Feel? Do you feel? Right? That's probably a really good move. I could come back. He's getting this. If I come over, he gets that. Uh-oh. Guys, he knows tactics. I think this guy knows tactics. I resign. Dude, Brian, good game, dude. You play good, man. He plays good, folks. The game goes on. Morphe. Checkmate is king. If you were to recommend a beginner to study at any games, would you recommend Capablanca's principles or focusing on the lines of one defense and attack? I will tell you this. Capablanca was an amazing player. And any book, especially a modern book, if you could find a modern book or modern videos going over Capablanca's games, or even a book written by him, it's fine even. You're studying chess more than 99.9% of chess players in the world. You're going to enjoy them, and you might learn something. So yeah, study Capablanca's games. Focusing on lines of one's defense and attack. I mean, there are books on defense. I'm sure there's an art of defense. What do we got here? This book is so much fun. The Art of Attack. Vukovic. This is a great book, The Art of Attack. This is a great book. If you want to study attacking, yeah. But, you know, you could play a lot. Ultimate, I don't think I played yet. Any studying you do is good. It's like saying, should I study Capablanca's games or should I study attack and defense? Dude. It's whatevs, bro. It's whatevs. Study chess. Enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's your rating? I mean, because none of it matters. None of it matters. Like, you're doing something and you're going to get better. You know what I mean? You're doing something and you're going to get better. So I wouldn't focus too much on worrying about what exactly should I study, because it doesn't matter. It kind of doesn't. I mean, memorizing openings is kind of known as not being the most important thing to do to get better at chess when you're learning how to play. You know what I'm saying? Memorizing openings. The time can be spent so much more on learning. You could just learn basic opening principles and then get good at applying them in an hour or a couple hours. And no, it takes a little while. It takes a little while. But you have many hundreds or thousands of hours of studying, of memorizing all the lines to all the openings. You know what I mean? That time is better spent doing puzzles. You could get a bad position in the opening, and you'll just win on tactics. How fun would it have been to see games between Capablanca and or Tal against Magnus or even Bobby? Yeah, that would be pretty cool, actually. That would be pretty cool. Plays the D5 maneuver. Probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move! It does leave this pawn. I just looked for his rating and finally found it. He kind of lost a pawn here, guys. Yeah, this pawn will be kind of loose though. So I don't think I'm going to take this pawn right away, because I think it's already weak. He does that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this. I think I can. Guys, remember, he's rated 291, and he's playing a great game so far. Look, his king is castled, all his pieces are developed. You're better than most chess players. Okay, good, good. Somebody very important to me said, call me when you have time. I then said, Is it important? Queen's looking at this. Want to develop it. Let's just put it here. You understand what I'm saying? It's so tough, though. I still can't play Italian without becoming agitated. What is your rating, Morphe? Above 800, below 1,000. It fluctuates. Yeah, Junior. Man, do puzzles. Pick an opening recommended by Daniel Naroditsky. He's got a lot of content online. Pick an opening recommended by Daniel Naroditsky. Play the same opening all the time. Play the same opening. Just play the same opening. No, I haven't got to it yet. Branson, I haven't gotten to it yet. Okay, he's attacking my queen, which is kind of mean. I'm gonna come here. Because he's making me do stuff, guys. He made me come here. He made me attack his knight. I didn't want to attack his knight. Oh, attacking my hopper. We take here. Now we take this. And I'm still on the knight. He has a check. It doesn't do anything. I already looked at it, guys. I already looked. Stop. Stop with this, guys. I'm okay. I'm going to be on this pawn. I'm going to be on the back rank mate. I think I'm fine. Okay. He wants to keep attacking my stuff. This brings the pawn one step closer to happy time. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go one step closer to happy time. Can I play you too? Of course you can, Ash. I can't get away from playing the Scandi opening as black when they play e4, so don't. Doesn't Gotham Chess play some Scandinavian? Watch a video. If you're rated between 800 and 1,000, watch a video on how to play the Scandinavian. I believe they also call that the center counter. Am I right? And then, you know what? And then watch another one, because there's more than one. And they'll say the same thing over and over, which will reinforce it in your brain. And one guy might explain it different so you understand it better. Another guy might show some stuff that the other guy in the other video didn't show. In other words, study it a little bit, memorize a couple of moves, but more importantly, the ideas. Where do your pieces go? What side of the board do you usually play on? What are the ideas behind the opening? And then just play it. Every time they play e4, play d5. Dude, you could, I guarantee you could almost guaranteed become a master. In other words, if you took a chess master right now and said you have to play the Scandinavian, Pro, you're up next. If I see your challenge, this guy's 2025 guy. They probably could keep their rating, or make them. Or if they started at 0, they could get to 2,200. Playing d5, e4, d5. They could. They could. It's not. In other words, it's not bad. It's not bad. At the highest level, I think they kind of have a line where they kind of neutralize it. You know what I'm saying? Right? We do this. Probably not best, but I'm doing it. It's because it gains space on that side of the board. I'll kick the knight this way. Maybe take with the rook. Maybe bring the queen. Maybe shove pawns. We're playing chess, guys. I'm playing chess. I'm also on a bishop. Oh, he comes. Do we take his bad bishop, guys? Here. Right? Do I take with the rook? I think I do, because I think I want to make it lift. Right? I could push. I can't play this, but I can do... We have to move, is the thing. We have to move. So... I'm going to start looking at his king. Soften him up a little bit. I'm already softened up a little bit. Do we all agree I'm softened up a little bit? You know, I can do this and kind of shut that side of the board down a little bit. No, I'm probably getting checkmated. I'm probably getting... Okay, yeah. Let him open this file, because at least we have some presence there. And he's getting it open, guys. This is pretty bad, but, it's kind of weird, because he can just defend it. In the bishop? I'm in trouble, guys. I'm in mucho problemo. It's Spanish, guys. Don't try and speak it. You don't know it. What just happened? He attacks my rook, and he threatens a square. This guy is taking care of it here. Here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do! I think he blew it. I mean, he's winning. But I think he had better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I think he had better. Does this lose? Can we get a triple stack like we had yesterday, guys? It's possible. Okay. I don't know if that was even best. Yeah, he's trying to come here. But he has no other check. If I come here, I think I'm okay. Attacking. Defending, guys. He is my world champion. He is my world champion, guys. Don't say anything about my world champion. Okay, just go. Just go, man. He wants checks. He doesn't have any, though. Good game, dude. Woo! Branson with the 200 stars. Thank you, man. Thank you. Was that you, Ash? Watching Magnus also helps. Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. I'll tell you something else. Like, and I've said this about everything. If you want to get good at pool, watch professional people play pool. The way they stand at the table, copy that. The way they walk, the speed with which they walk around the table, copy that. the way they move, the way they act, the way they get down, the way they stay down. Look at their fundamentals. Copy those things, right? If you watch grandmasters play chess, you will get better at chess. Because I will totally give you a rematch, but I need to look at another game. I don't normally give rematches, but since you're higher rated, I feel like I need to give you a opportunity to. Oh, Pro is up next. I have to give you an opportunity to redeem yourself because I respect your rating and you seem like a good guy, and it's just a chess thing. It's a chess thing. Right? Come here. So I'll give you a rematch in a while, but I'm not going to do it right now. Yeah, watching Magnus helps is what Morphe said. Watch grandmasters play chess. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Stream Rock rules. It does. Thank you, Brands, for the 200. I think he had queen b5 check, and that would have been okay because this pawn is loose. The c5 pawn was loose. Now I'm just winning a piece. Well, no, actually, he might have had a check, guys. I think I thought I was winning a piece, but he had a check, and the knight gets away. But now, not so much. He's attack king. We're defending. My great world champion, Ding Liren. I say his name every day. Defending music as well, stage presence can only be learned. Yes! Yes, 1,000,000%. You are so right. Stage presence, guys. You want to be a rock star? Yeah, you got to get good at guitar. You do. Or whatever you're going to play. Whatever instrument. Whatever poison you choose. But here's the thing. Watch the way they move. The way they act. Okay, he's attack king. Okay, then I guess defend ding. Just defend ding. I gotta move, guys. It's in the rules. I spent so much time on that move. And watching Sir Charles stream has definitely made me a better player. I learn more watching a stream than I do watching the faster players. Master your guitar face. Yeah, you don't have to work on guitar face. You know why you don't work on guitar face? Because it will be fake and you'll look fake and you'll just look like you have an ugly face. Here's how, boy, no matter how many times it's here, it just keeps being here. Proper guitar face. Let's talk about guitar face. Proper guitar face doesn't come from trying. It doesn't come from, oh, there's no check those. It doesn't come from, what proper guitar, trying to make the guitar face and trying to look cool. No, you're never going to look cool by making an ugly face. It's dumb. Guitar face is literally, you ever see someone when they're like, they're trying to do something, they're trying to manipulate something, and they start doing like this? Watch. They're going like this, and they're going like, that's guitar face. It's uncontrollable. It's like when you're thinking about something really hard and you're going, you're thinking, you're like, oh man. It's like natural. Real guitar face. People take pictures and they see the camera and then they go like this. Because they want to look like they're a hero or something. And there's nothing wrong with that. But it's more than, you don't practice your guitar face. You need to practice on letting go. Let go to where you're dancing like no one's watching. That's what guitar face is. You're dancing like no one's watching. It just comes, it's just there. You may never make a guitar face. That's okay. Maybe when you're playing guitar, it's just completely Even when you're really digging in and you're really feeling it and you're really trying to do something and you're just, that's okay too. But Guitar Face is really about letting go and not caring that you look stupid. Because it looks kind of stupid. People just like it because it's artistic and it shows that you're doing something. Yo, can I play you? Yes, send it, man. Send it, Kobe. I'm not giving it rematches yet. You know what though? Wait, did I get a new friend I got a new friend on chess.com. John RT. We are now friends on chess.com. 2 rules. We take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. So there you go. You made a friend. I'm your friend on chess.com. Okay, I want to look at the next game from the tournament yesterday. And that is going to be my game against the Goat Doc, against Branson. Branson Collins just asked in chat. Branson Collins is a up-and-comer, a hard-working chess player. Are you still working as much as you were? Bill Stevens says, yeah, we call it the stink face. When you're so in the music, it looks like someone near you just passed gas. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thacker, was that you? You're pro? Oh, was that the friend? Oh, yeah, you're John RT. You're John RT. Yo, you're welcome, dude. Okay, so this is my game yesterday against Branson Collins. He's one of us. He's a great supporter of the stream. He played 65% accuracy. I played a little thing called 77.9. Nice tactical shot, sniping that piece like a pro. Let's hear her say it. Which sister do you think is going to say it? Thank you, Andrea Botez. Okay. He played like a 900. I played like a 1500. He played about like his rating. I played about like my rating. Maybe a little bit worse. So actually, you performed better than me. We each had a blunder. You had a miss. Did you look at the game already? We each made 1 mistake. You had 4 inaccuracies. I had 2. That's kind of what rating usually makes a big difference. The higher rated player will make less inaccuracies, and therefore his game is just a little bit better and easier to play, and it gets a little bit harder and worse for the lower rated player. I'm telling you guys, I got it all figured out. I solved chess. Okay, here we go. We're going to look at the opening maneuvers, guys. E4, E5, knight F3, F5, takes here, D6, takes, and then I think I made a mistake here. I think I have a queen F7, guys. It's queen G6. I played queen F7. Let's see if in the opening book there are 175 games with queen G6. I need to play queen G6 here, defending the pawn. But there are 9 games with queen F7. A 2700, a 2200, 2200, 2200, 2000, 2250, 2265. So this is a move. It's just not the move because he has this. But then I can do this, but then he can do this. But then my queen can go somewhere. Right? So like let's say he does take the pawn, which is not the best move. Oh, I have queen E6 pinning, and now I'm a double threat. I think I'm better here. F3, D5, knight E5, takes, and I got a piece. Okay, so queen E6. So that's why queen, the thing is he can't take the pawn. So this queen F7 is actually a move. And I played queen F7, but I didn't know. You should have taken with my rook instead of the bishop and lost sight of my knight. We'll take a look. You also miss winning a pawn. Well, not this pawn, though, because this pawn you're not supposed to take. It's the 3rd best move. Bishop E2, I play knight F6. Knight E3, I play knight F6. Bishop F4 was a mistake. You should play bishop G5. Yeah, you are kind of biting on granite if you think about it. This way, at least, you're dynamically giving yourself an option to take the knight if you want to. Plus, you're actually threatening to win a pawn. Bishop takes, knight takes, right? Ish. It didn't like this move. It wanted bishop E6. Oh, bishop E6 is great because it develops a piece while attacking a piece. And now it's my move. Now I can play C6 or bishop E7. Bishop E6 was a free move. Branson, I didn't see it. Can we play Kobe? Send it. You got to send it, but I'm going to finish going over this game and then you send it. There's a pinned comment, maybe refresh and you'll see it. It's Rosewood Telly. 3-minute unrated. That's a blunder. Bishop e6. Bishop e... Oh, yeah. This just blunders a pawn. Yeah, you could just take this. This is just free. And now you're on my rook. This is horrible. Yeah, this is great for you. Yeah, you didn't see it. I need to play bishop e6 because it comes with tempo. Knight e3 and then c6. Yep. And I knew it was going to be c6 then, even before I looked at Stockfish. f3, we're going to rip it. Oh, it's saying knight h5. Does attack it. Bishop g3. Rip it. Takes. Queen g6. When he takes, I'm going to play knight bd7. Well, it's saying bishop g5 or knight d7 or king h8. These are all moves. And you're slightly better. But I am in my Latvian gambit. And then, oh my God. Yeah, we did a little trade here. Takes, and you dropped a piece. But that was a really good move. Attacking that bishop. Queen back defends it. Knight e4 it wants. Knight e4. I don't get it. Oh, because you're attacking this square now. h6, just giving up the pawn, or d5 saving the pawn. Knight g5, hitting. Wow, queen e8. Pinning. This is naughty, guys. Queen d3. What's wrong with just... Oh, because I might be able to do this and defend this way. So I think I can defend it. Could get in some trouble. Oh, yeah. So, that was a mistake. Yeah, see, if you take, I develop a knight. And if you take, I just take back, capturing toward the center. I should not worry about locking this down. But I wanted why I played c5, my idea was to lock down this diagonal. Although you might be able to get here. Maybe not, but I should have just developed a piece. Instead, I pushed. Here, I want to trade or hit the rook. Takes, that's good, and you ran out of time. And you're down a piece. The thing is, you have h3. Wow, look at bishop g5 because of this square. That is crazy. Rook e4. If you take, I still take. It's pinned. Rook f2. Now it's not pinned anymore. h6 defending. Knight b5 attack king. Knight a6. No, just it doesn't matter. You can get here though. Oh, you get this. You get this. Queen f6 hitting. We're playing chess, and black is better. I'm up a piece. Good game, dude. Okay, now, Kobe, you said you want to play. How to become a GM in 1 month. To become a GM in 1 month, you need to have a rating of 2,500, and you need to have all of the required norms. Then, you send in your application and a fee. Fee day. And in 1 month's time, you will get back your GM certificate and you will have become a Grandmaster. Sean, what's up, dude? Off work early today for the chess stream. Love it, Sean. Branson says, thanks for the review, Charlie. I learned so much being part of this community. Branson, me too, man. Good game, dude. Hey, what do you think my highest rating was based on our 3-minute game? I don't remember our game. Xbox. I've played a few games since then. What was your highest rating? Mafia says your rating is 1,200. Oh, well then, how to become a GM in 1 month. Get your rating to 2,500. Get all your GM norms, and then send in the application. 1 second, guys. Grab my water. Got it, guys. Guys, if you're out there lurking, it's okay to lurk. You're watching. You're watching on your phone. You're kicking back. You don't feel like clicking like, subscribe. It's free on YouTube. Follow on Twitch. You don't feel like clicking it. That's okay. Lurk. Enjoy the show. That's why I'm here. I like to spread chess. But learning chess can be scary. That's why you don't want to be alone. Being alone is scary. I'm not scared from these noises right now because you guys are here. We have a community. Best community in the world. The family that stays together stays together. And if you get with a good community and we learn chess together, you know what happens? You know what happens? Timing? Baby noises happen. You're not scared anymore. But if you leave the community, scary noises come back. So definitely want to follow, definitely want to get involved, say hello. Lurking from Cincinnati, heard that a few times. Some guys, hey, I'm actually from Cincinnati. There are people in Cincinnati, guys. It's a real city. So if you want to get involved with chess, you want to get involved with the best chess community in the world, the Chess Chillers. Hit the like button, follow button, sub button. Hit the buttons, guys. Hit the button. This has been today's episode of Lurker Love. I have 2 friend requests. There's no way! Moo H4M3D. I'm going to say yes. And Kobe. Kobe's my friend now too. Kobe, good. Kobe, I saw you in chat. Here's the deal. We're friends now. That means we have to take care of each other and we have to get better at chess together. Okay? It's all I require. If not, unfriend me right now, bro. Don't you love that on Facebook? The unfriend me people? They're hilarious. Why do they do that? Freaking Facebook is delivering today. Daniel Todd, what's up? Mafia, subscribe. Mafia, thank you, dude. Daniel Todd, what's going on, brother? Dude, man, Facebook is delivering today, guys. If you're watching on Facebook, hit the like button and the follow button. Definitely want to follow me on Facebook, man. I started streaming on Facebook over 5 years ago, streaming chess only. Now we do gaming at night as well. Yeah. You were 507 on 10 minutes. That's good. Dude, that's good. Yeah. But you shouldn't worry about that number. You should worry about studying chess and getting better. Because if you do that, the number just goes up magically. And you have to worry about it. People think they're going to try harder. And the rating's going to go up. I mean, if you're not trying now and you try harder, your rating will go up. But it doesn't work like that. You have to learn something. He's rated 431chess.com rating points. Moo H4M3D. Is that like some kind of elite speak I'm missing or something, guys? The night comes. I think I should take it, right? I have to keep the queen. He had queen check, and I would have to move my king. Because if I play g6, he... Oh, no, he can't take here. Oh, so... It was fine. Attack king, guys. I'm attack king. There's also a crushing threat right here. I think we're going to go with it. This is just so crazy. Now this is me, right? Good game, dude. Good game. Mistakes. Mistakes you made. Is a 400. This is great. You're developing. You know what? You just didn't see the tactic, the threat, and that happens when you're rated 400, and it's okay. You can solve it by doing more puzzles. But let's go to the computer. Let's go to the computer. Let's go because I play this F5. It's a horrible move. Okay, F5. Taking the pawn is one move. D3 is another move. A3 is a move. Weird. Moving the same piece twice is weird. But it's funny, but this is not a move. Weird. Yeah, and it's just tactics. This is the Max Lang Vienna game Max Lang defense. So when you came here and I took, these are the tactiques. You gotta look and say, oh, if I take this, he's gonna fork me. It's okay. Well, how do you get out of it? There's a great way to get out of it. You take a piece. I'm gonna take, and then you bring the bishop to a safe spot. Takes. Bishops move backwards, and you're fine. You're playing chess. You know what I mean? What I've seen all that, I know this theme, believe me. Believe me, I know on your side of the board, I very likely may have seen it. And definitely here, I definitely would have seen knight takes in the fork. So in this position, yeah, you just rip this. You get rid of one of the forked pieces, you know what I'm saying? Good game, dude. It's Blitz, man. You're rated 400. Guys, he's rated 400. Now we're going to look at... Oh yeah, no, Kobe, I'm not playing 3 days. I don't play 3-day chess. I don't like that format. What's going on with you, Daniel Todd? Captain Flinter, can we play? Or Finter? Flint? I can't even see with that font and that color. Captain Flinter. Yeah, we can play, man. Send it. Oh, you didn't mean to send that. Okay, cool. You requested a game, please. I cannot do the challenges in chat because, no. You did it wrong, Kobe. You did it wrong. I'm going to look at one of my games from yesterday. It's 3-0, meaning not 3 plus 2. 3-0. Look at all these games we played so far today against viewers. That's fun. This is the game against Daniel Stamidis where we were both low on time, and I blew it. And I am so interested in seeing this game review, including Clifford the Big Red Arrow, folks. Let's bring the Botez sisters. Giveaway, one player was winning, but then gave it away. That would be me. Why is it not showing? Well, I can see it. Maybe you guys can see it from here. Here we go. You could see white was slightly better. It was pretty even. White was slightly better. Then I had the biggest advantage ever in the entire game right here. And then it was flatlined, equal, and yeah, 5 minute, no. Read the pinned comment. Read the pinned comment. I'm gonna look at this game real quick, guys. Neither of us played any brilliant moves. We each had one great move. He played 6 book moves. I played 5. We each had a blunder. We each had 2 misses. We played this game almost exactly the same. Only, check this out. It says, chess.com is stroking me, guys. It says he played like a 2100 and I played like a 2200. 3-minute unrated. Mafia's got it down, but I'm not taking, guys, I'm not taking challenges right this minute. I was doing it. No one came. Now that I'm playing, now that I got to look at a game everyone wants to play. We're going to play. We're going to play. Start review. I think that's an incredible waste of time. Shutting it back off again. Come here. We're going to look at the opening book, guys. The opening book. Let's go to Explore. D6. Number 1 move. 90,000 moves. Bishop E3. Okay, I said this in the game. I castled. But I said knight G4. I think it's a move. It's the second most common move. But in this position, 100 people castled. And only 19 played knight G4. It's a harassing, weird sideline. You know who castled? Ding Liren, world champion. Okay. So yeah. So I'm playing like Ding Liren right here. F3. Okay. I always play C5. The move is E5. No, I played E5. What was that? Kev Dog just gifted a sub on Twitch. And who got it? Who got the sub on Twitch? Eric Blair, welcome to the exclusive YouTube Twitch chillers. Yeah, dude. Welcome, brother. Thank you so much, Kev Dog. And if you're watching on Twitch, hit that follow button. When you guys get to... Oh, we're at 470. It's insane. When we get to 500, Twitch gets a Twitch exclusive stream. Although the paid members from YouTube and Facebook will be able to watch. But only the Twitch community, it's going to be focused on the Twitch community. There you go. Captain Flinter, thank you for the follow, brother. Okay, so I played E5, guys. I played the move that, let's see, that Garry Kasparov plays in this position. Yeah, Garry Kasparov. Yep, E5 is the move. Okay, now here, the most common move is C6. I played knight BD7. The most common move is C6. The next move is knight H5, which I think I play later. There's C5, knight E8. No one plays knight BD7. Knight BD7 is done. John, not right now, brother. I'm going to get through this game, and then I had so many challenges. Guys, I was sitting there with no challenges for like how long? And then I go look at... Oh, you guys can't see the board! I'm up... Okay, guys, I think I just lost all my friends and my streaming credentials. D4, knight F6, C4, G6, knight C3, bishop G7, E4, D6. I said it on the stream too. In this position, well, after you go to fianchetto, guys, you almost always make the fianchetto, unless something bad is happening. I make the fianchetto, and in this position, I said I played D6, but the reason is because I have to. Because you can't give me 5 for free. If you play Z5 now, I'm going to take, and then I'm going to, attack the pawn and win it back. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no 10 minutes, guys. It's not 10 minutes. Kobe, are you watching on stream or not? Skill gap is too large for me to go into chess. Kobe, are you watching? Are you watching, Kobe? Not 3 plus 2. 3 minute. Okay, so Gwaine Jones. Oh, yeah. E5. Okay, and here C6 is the move. C6 right away. And you know what's funny? I think I kind of know it, man. And on Queen D2, do we play C5? No, we take. A6 to keep the knight out of attacking. Kamsky versus Kasparov. Kasparov won. Bishop D3, just getting his bishop off a starting square. And knight BD7. You're playing chess. It's King's Indian. We have an open C file. My king is safe. Okay. Is A5 the move here? Knight H5 is the number 1 move. A5 has 31 games. A5. Let me see what famous people played this move. Or none. Just a bunch of hobos, guys. A bunch of 2,600 players no one's ever heard of. Where's my world champion? Where's my world champion? There's no world champions to play this move, guys. Okay. He attacks. Knight C5. 4 games with Knight C5. Still no world champions. We're not transposing. He's coming at me. Dude, I'm telling you, I felt like H5 was the move here. It's the most played move. 2 games. Let's see what Stockfish says. H5 is the best move. And you know what I said? I'm pushing pawns in front of my king while I'm being attacked. That's bad. It's the best move. You know where I think I learned that? FIDE Master David Bassett was here. He would know. There's a book on the King's Indian defense. Best book I ever saw on the King's Indian defense. It's purple. And it's been written by a couple of Italian guys that I don't even think are grandmasters. But they don't just teach you memorizing moves. And they don't just teach you ideas and plans, but they literally teach you pawn structures. And I believe the reason why in this position, what are you looking at in this position? What are you looking at? Like maybe develop the bishop, maybe play C6, probably develop the bishop, right? Get the bishop off its starting square. Get the move the queen off its starting square, something. I just felt in my heart this was the best move. And I was right. From the purple book. Their names are like, they sound like Sopranos. Like Phil Leotardo and freaking Tony Soprano. Just pretend that's it. Best. Okay, now, there are ideas when I get here of takes, of opening up the the bishop. I did that. I mentioned it during the game, by the way. I did that idea against a girl, Amanda Mateer. She was 1,700 at the time over the board, and now I think she's a woman's master or women's candidate master, woman's FIDE master. I don't know. We love your face, but would love to see the moves. Yeah, thank you, Bill Stevens. C6, then queen to trap knight to their queen. If they castle, you can get their pawn with a rook battery. Junior Thacker, man, you need to learn the language. Because it's okay. We talked about it yesterday. You know I love you. Everyone wants to play. I'm going to finish this game. Looking at this game. Bishop. Bishop F6. Best move. This bishop is his good bishop. See how it's good bishop, meaning it's not on the same color as his squares. It can move around the board without being hindered by his own pawns. This is his bad bishop. This bishop is completely blocked in by its own pawns. So it's just called the bad bishop. Sometimes a bad bishop will win you the game, but bad bishop just means your center pawns are on the same color square. Well, so where's my bad bishop? Right here. He's blocked. Do you think I don't want to trade my bad bishop for his good bishop? I really do. These are micro advantages, guys. Okay, now King H7, did I play it? Really? Bishop G5? Why can't he play this? King H7, Bishop G2, Bishop D7, F4. Wow. Knight F4, Knight F4. EF4. He doesn't even take because he knows it's his pawn and he just castles. And black is slightly better here. Queen E7. Queen takes, so I play pawn takes. Yep, FE4 hitting the queen. Queen G3, what do you do? Knight check? Or just E3? Just put the fear of God in him, guys. E3. Wow. Takes. And just trade him down. Just trade him down. Rook G5, just rip it. Yep, Ace G5. He's got a file, but we got something to hide behind. Exactly. And black is still... We're about equal. We're about equal. How far back do I have to go? Oh, yeah. I wasn't playing Bishop G5. That was a mistake. It wanted F4. I always was keeping this in my mind, guys, this move. But I never felt the need to play it. That's a miss. I should play Bishop G5. Okay. That's a miss. I should play Bishop G5. I just never felt like it was the right time, and I was wrong. Almost done with this game, guys, because you got to see the end. Let me take this real fast, guys. We have a surprise visitor coming, and I don't know if they're going to come on camera or not. So wait for this. Hang out for it. Your pinned messages unpinned for me. It might be just for me. No, yeah. Someone said something about the pinned comment on... Let me try and do this again. Copy that. Go here for Twitch. Pin it to win it, and then pin it manually or at the end of the stream. Okay, hopefully that pinned comment is better. Thank you for bringing that up. Someone mentioned it earlier, Xbox, I forgot. Okay, so takes F4 finally. I played it when I thought it was right. That's good. Knight G3 is best. I should just play the knight. But see, I'm looking at this. I don't want him to start opening me up, but I guess he can't yet. He could take queen takes and push. No, then I just play knight takes. And this covers his square. Okay, so knight g3 I feel was better, but I wanted to bring a rook. Bishop back, knight g3 was best. I'm starting to look at his king, guys. He went back. Now I play knight g3. Takes. Bishop c2. Okay. That was the best move. Come back to the file, guys. We're jumping all over town. Takes. Oh, yeah, and here, guys, look. I saw you could do this, but... Oh, no, my queen. I got two rooks for it. What do you have? Oh, my God, you have pizza. She has pizza, guys. There's no way. You brought pizza? Is my mic on? It is. Guys, she brought pizza. Guys, I'm going to show you. What are you doing? It's still hot. And soda?
Here.
I gotta give her a hug. Show me her. No? Not today? Yeah, so guys, so he trades his queen, or his queen for my two rooks, right? But black is better here. That's a blunder. Take a pawn. I came back because I don't want to lose my rook. I'm like, ugh. I should play king up. I that was my mistake, guys. I didn't bring the king. I'm gonna show you the mistake I made. I did bring it. I just didn't bring it enough. And it was a long time I blundered a pawn. And now white is better. In this position, I could play this move. Rook g2, yeah. Rook g2. Queen d1 pinning. And now we bring the other rook to help. a6, really? Wow, it's that bad? Can I take this? I can't do this? Oh, queen f1 makes some threats with the push. So, you just came by to bring me some pizza? Are you going to hang out for a little bit and eat it? Good, good, good. Because if you said I just dropping you pizza, I'm leaving, I would talk to you for a minute. I dropped my pawn, guys. And then I lost on time. If I win this game, if I win that game, I won the tournament. Because I had disguised teriyaki beat on tie breaks. Sam U. Gibb. 3-minute unrated. This is a rated game. I'm going to play you, Anor, but it needs to be unrated. I could abort it, but I don't need to be grumpy. Oh, this is horrible news, guys. Rich Hatchke says, Charlie lost my 60 major on hard course 6 months ago. Recently decided to level up again. You're 57. Dude, so that's good news. I gotta move, guys. I know what to do. I was a lot of time on that, guys, but you know what? I feel okay about it. Feel like this might be a better castle because it puts me closer to the weakness. It might not be. Just bring a rook. Dude, I was brought pizza by a beautiful woman. Brings a rook, huh? Probably, yes, I do. Thank you so much. Takes, guys, remember, my opponent's rated 232. Plays pretty good. I think you play more like a 233. Okay, attacking my stuff. Defending my stuff. Oh, I could have just played, see, I could have just played Rook Takes Knight, guys. I need another piece of pizza. Oh, I was kind of saying it to myself. No, but oh, I mean to get it my own damn self. But you brought it to me. Thank you. In other words, I wasn't talking to you. Might be gone, folks. Still gone. Too slow. I can do it with the queen. Oh no! He got me on time. He's not 200, guys. It's okay, though. You got free rating points, but it doesn't matter. Play good, dude. How are you rated 200? And you can just even move that fast. I mean, I was winning. I'm not saying you played perfect. But, dude, you played really fast at the end. Yeah, we both played horrible. You played like a 550. I played like an 850. Good game, man. I will get you back next time, my brother. I will try. Sam, unrated. Got you, Sam. Good game, dude. You play a good game. I just don't expect 200 rated players to like move that fast in the end. You know what I'm saying? I expect you kind of like choke up and lose on time. But you played good. You played good. Just do this. Do I prefer white or black? Are you talking about for the game, or are you talking about would I rather play the white pieces or would I rather play the black piece? You're talking about like challenging me? Make it random. I gotta call Jose. We did a little bit of texting, but I need to call him. Did you guys talk at all a little bit? And he didn't bring it up good. Plays D5. It's a good move. Okay, and then move. Oh my God, Sam's 2100, guys. No. I should have never looked at his rating. No, it doesn't scare me. I beat a 2000 already today. I would have played differently, though. You ever made homemade bone broth? Rich, I never have. Oh, dude, I wanted to read your I wanted to read your World of Warcraft thing, too, but I keep being on the clock. Huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How much of it can I eat? I don't want to be the guy. How many pieces are you save? Save you like 3? Is that too much? Is that too little, I mean? 4? What's that? Guys, we had to look at the pizza, guys. We had to do pizza politics. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, he's looking at stuff. He's trying to look at stuff. I appreciate that about him. He gave up on his bat ray, if you will. Right. I can do something like here. Oh my God, he's getting on it again? Okay. Oh, I'm leading with the queen. I didn't realize, guys. Oh, it's with check. I resign. I'm just going to resign. I got 10 seconds anyway. Dude, Sam, good game, dude. Sam, you're a good player. Okay, so you decided you got a 57 in hardcore this time around on my bank all-time flipping items and auction house. Right. Problem is, it's a low population server. Yep, that's very difficult. Low pop servers are rough. Where'd I put my napkin? Right here? Yeah. Well, dude, I'm glad to see that you're still playing hardcore, man. Here's someone I haven't played before for 1,500 chess.com rating points. E4, E5, bishop C4. Bishop C5. I think you play C3, right? Guys, I gotta get another piece. I mean, most strong players prefer white because you get the first move. You have the advantage. It's okay to say, I like black. I'd rather play black. And it might not make a big difference at a lower rating. But you got to understand that it's almost a little bit naive to like black. Because you got to wrap your head around why, if Magnus Carlsen had to play a game for his life, why would he play the white pieces instead of the black pieces? Because it's the better chances. So you understand what I'm saying? It's just what it is. Ain't no thing. Okay. Dude, this pizza is so good. Pizza Hut. I didn't expect this. Probably a good move. Am I chopping? Koala, how you doing? Sonny said, okay, you peak at 1,000 ELO, but I'm only 400 ELO. I can beat 1,000 chess engine. Forget the engine. Forget the engine. Anytime you're trying to say how good you are, beating chess engine means nothing to me. It's just weird. Engines are weird. It's weird for something to play bad moves on purpose to make a rating. It's weird to me. But if you can be, in other words, I just don't even know what that means. You can beat the 1,000 ELO engine. I don't know what that means. I mean, I don't know how that helps me gauge your strength, because I don't know anything about that. But when I play real players, I suck. It's because the 1,000 ELO engine is not, it's not real. Do you understand? It's not real. You're thinking the 1,000 ELO engine is real, but it's not. It's not a real thing. It's that simple of an answer. You're not better than 1,000. If you beat the 1,000 ELO engine, but you can't beat 1,000 ELO players, it's because the 1,000 ELO engine isn't really rated 1,000. They're just chess moves. This pawn's looking a little dicey. Right. Just come back, I guess. Wow. Got me on time. That was a real game, dude. Thank you, man. Good game, dude. Very good game. That was a lot of fun, actually. That was a lot of fun. All right, guys. I'm going to call it. Thank you guys so much for being here, man. What a great stream today. Thank you, Dave Thompson, for the like, Rich Haskey, Captain Flinter with the follow, Kev Dog gifting subs, Mafia subscribing on YouTube. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, hit the sub button. The community's growing like a freaking wildfire. You want to be on the ground floor. Just like buying Bitcoin, guys, for like $300 a Bitcoin. You don't want to be my 50,000 subscriber on YouTube. You want to be number 2,100. That's what you're looking for. Twitch is the same way. I freaking love you. Dude, Twitch is getting so solid right now. Look at that, man. 471. Twitch, when we get to 500 followers, we're going to be doing a special stream for Twitch, all right? Freaking love you guys, man. We're at 471 right now. I got 8 viewers. Hit the follow button if you don't follow. Facebook, you know I freaking love you. Facebook delivered today. Bigger numbers than usual. Facebook, thank you. I love Facebook. We started on Facebook. So tell me about your gig this weekend. Is it with your band? Are you the hired gun? I'm the hired gun. I'm the hired gun. Goldie. Yeah, I'll play you, Goldie. I'll play you because it's unrated. I'll play you. Goldie is grossly underrated at 200 rating points. He's like 1,000 points underrated. Actually, more like 1,300 points underrated. But we're playing unrated, so it doesn't matter. And he's a great supporter of the stream. He watches on Twitch. He subscribes. He comments. He keeps me company. And I appreciate you, Goldie. I really do. He's going to get this rating up closer where it's supposed to be. I don't know how that's ever going to happen. I mean, you're going to have to play like a whole bunch. You know? Sting. I think I might be wrapping this here in a little bit, man. I love you, brother. But okay. Bring the Amigos night. Maybe Bishop. Takes kind of thing. Improve. Maybe Queen. Bang. Check, mate. Maybe shove, mate. I got one more piece of pizza, guys. One day I'll play you so you can gauge my strength. Well, Sonny, your rating will gauge your strength. I don't know how to gauge a chess player's strength. You know what bacteria is in Spanish? Una bacteria is a drummer. Oh, what bacteria? Oh, not bacteria, bacteria. Okay, bacteria. You love to see it, folks. I didn't realize that was a real thing. Uh-oh, I did the trick on him, guys. I did the en passant trick. He doesn't know that trick, guys. He typed, I know it, I forgot it. Every Thursday. That was a blunder, but he didn't see it, guys. That was a blunder, but he didn't see it. He should have just... I think he could have took it. Well, it's not looking too good for him today, folks, but last time we played, he played a lot better. We will Sting. Sting every Thursday. Every Thursday, I play viewers. I'm grabbing that pizza. She's coming back, guys. I had to make it very clear how many pieces I could eat. Goalie, you're like an entirely different chess player today than you were last time I played you. Last time I played you, you crushed me with 100%. Now you like give everything up. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. It doesn't make sense. I know I already played you, brother. You played a good game. Guys, I freaking love you. Can I reserve a slot? I'll remember your name, Sting Sting. I'll remember your name, and I will definitely try and get you in. Are you playing with the usual suspects or something new? Oh, yeah. Did you have to learn stuff or just play the hits? Just play the hits. Yeah, Goldie, good game, man. Good game. I gotta go. I freaking love you guys. I'll be back at 8 o'clock for a gaming stream. Goodbye. Oh, 8:15 tonight, I think. Goodbye.